Hey, good afternoon. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 23R SR with a Yamaha 300 on it. This particular boat we did an all-new matte black with a lower silver accent. It's an absolute beautiful boat. I'll move the camera here a little closer so you can see it. Man, it looks great. We did a smooth panels on it. Turned out really good. Color looks great, even looks better in the sunlight. This is, of course, a tri-tune with the ESP package because we did the 300 Yamaha on it. We did silver interior with silver accent. Climb aboard here in just a second and show it to you. Let me walk around outside and show you exactly how pretty this boat is. Again, it does have the 300 Yamaha on it, removable ski pylon. It's got the V6 4.2 liter Yamaha. Did do the all new lily pad ladder, which is new for 2023. It's actual phenomenal upgrade for those. Makes it easy to get in and out of the boat. This particular boat has all your LED lights, so your underwater lighting, RGB cup holder lighting, speaker lighting, everything inside the boat. Here's a good look at the outside here. I'll climb aboard, take a look. Sorry, we did a graphite interior with the silver accent. So it looks really good. Portable cup holders there, you can move around, flip down armrests. This table right here, you can stow away, get it up out of the way if you'd like. Pillow top diamond stitched upholstery. Another fold down armrest. It has a wireless phone charger over there. A glass windscreen there. We did the Rockford stereo upgrade, so the sound system in this thing's phenomenal. Did the 9-inch screen, Rockford PMX2 upgrade. Master power, you got wireless charging down there as well. Of course, the Yamaha digital controls. There's your rear seat, fold down armrest, center walk through. Back here to the ski pylon, motor, access to the water. It's got the extended aft deck, so tons of room on this boat. It's an absolute phenomenal boat, one of my favorite layouts. I'll zoom out there so you can see the whole layout. Again, this boat's here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. You can give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.